Hey guys, Greg Eagleson here. Look at this, 378 Panamount Drive. Just coming on the market. You have to see this. This has a huge, beautiful backyard, over 30 trees. If you've got dogs or you like the outside, come take a look at this. All ready to go.
Can you feel it now?